When we hear the word assembly, we think about school probably, politics. We can think about it as a gathering of people around an intention or an idea, even if it's to meet together to decide what that goal, idea or intention might be. On the other hand, an assembly is also the bringing together of constituent parts. It can be something that's quite temporary and sometimes precarious. My name's Olivier Krischer. I'm the guest curator of this exhibition titled Assembly that's being held at the Australian Centre on China in the World here at ANU. The exhibition features 8 Hong Kong-born artists, 6 of whom are based in Australia, 1 in the UK and 1 in Canada, and all of whom have left Hong Kong under different circumstances and formed different generations of migration from the 1960s through to today. The background to the exhibition is the recent wave of migration from Hong Kong in the wake of the 2019 protests, and in particular anti-sedition laws that were passed in 2020, the national security law, and as well as the strict government response to COVID. And that sort of uncertainty, however, it's been unprecedented in recent years, but the exhibition suggests that this is also connected to previous waves of migration that have really shaped Hong Kong society, but also its communities overseas. Just like these artists, they remain intimately connected to Hong Kong through friends, family, as well as their work. So these different dimensions of the term assembly are being explored in the exhibition. On the one hand, the artists share an origin and they share some concerns, some experiences, life experiences. On the other hand, they also have distinct artistic practices and may not, if it were not for the premise of their shared origins, they may not be in the same space. Therefore, the exhibition is a kind of assemblage, bringing together these artists for a particular point of time to see the sorts of resonances and dissonances, the commonalities and differences between their artistic practices, their concerns, and it can really only be experienced in a space such as this.